Hi, welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna talk about the book 3 animals, okay? And many of you have my books, especially if you're my student, so you can go back to review again. So this is the book 3. I know not everybody knows this, but some of my students knew that. So book 3, we start with some of the birds, okay? Now, this is a bird, we call it niao. Can you see? Niao is a bird, okay? Now, we call feng niao. Feng niao is mean hummingbird, okay? See that? Feng niao. Niao is a bird, okay? Now, woodpecker, we call it 啄木鸟, okay? 啄木鸟, 啄 is like poking. Mu is mean wood, okay? 啄木鸟 means woodpecker, okay? Now, toucan we call it 鸡嘴鸟, okay? 鸡嘴鸟, okay? 嘴 is mean mouth. 鸡 is mean giant, okay? 鸡嘴鸟. This book 3 is not for the beginners, okay? So just for certain already have some experience, okay? So might be sound a little bit difficult. So now, this is called, we call it pigeon and dove, the same. We call 鸽子, okay? Pigeon and dove, okay? Now, the next thing is called 红雀. 红雀 means red cardinal, okay? Red color is mean called 红, okay? 雀 is mean cardinal, 红雀, okay? And also peacock we also call 孔雀, okay? Peacock. Now eagle we call it 老鹰, okay? Now this is Y. When you sound it, do not use Y. You just say 老鹰 like English, 老鹰, okay? Remember 老 is mean old. Just like remember the second book, we call it 老鼠, okay? This is 老鹰, okay? So 老鹰is an eagle, okay? There are certain words come, in the animals too, okay? In the front. So you got to use 2 words. You cannot just use 1 word. So this thing you have to memorize both. 老鹰 is mean eagle. Now Walter we call it 秃鹫, okay? 秃鹫, 秃 is mean ball, okay? So you see the character is quite complicated. Actually, it's not that bad, okay? But then if you don't know Chinese, it looks very complicated. So Walter, we call 秃鹫. The next thing we call owl. Owl, we call it 猫头鹰, okay? 鹰 is mean eagle, 老鹰, remember? So, 鹰, the character original means eagle. 头 is mean head, okay? Your head. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Now, 猫 is mean cat. So this is a cat head eagle, okay? So that's why in Chinese we call it cat head eagle, okay? Look like a cat, okay? So owl, 猫头鹰. Now, the next thing we call it a crow. Crow we call it 乌鸦, okay? 乌鸦, okay? See? 乌鸦, okay? Now, I just want to point that you see the 乌, this one, and this is for my upper class student probably. You see 鸟, okay? 鸟is bird. You see this one? And you see this one, 乌. Yeah, basically, this one 鸟 has a line in the middle. This 乌 is empty, okay? You see the character? So one is called 鸟. That's why in Chinese, you cannot just, add as you wish anywhere a dot or anywhere a line. They make a different meaning, okay? So 乌鸦 and 鸟, okay? These 2 are different. Now, these are called 乌龟. 乌龟 means turtle, okay? Now, the next thing is called 青蛙. 青蛙 is mean frog. 青 is also mean green, okay? People, my student, you know, remember 青, okay? 青是 is mean green color, okay? 青蛙 is mean frog. Now, 鱼 is mean fish, okay? See, 鱼 fish. Now, goldfish we call 金鱼. Remember, J sound like CH too. 金鱼. We do not say 金鱼, okay? We say 金鱼. 金 is mean gold, okay? Alright? Remember, people, remember 金色 is mean gold color, okay? Alright, those are for my student. They already learned all those things. Now, 鲨鱼 is means shark, okay? You can just remember shark like 鲨, okay? 鲨鱼 is a shark, okay? Now, the next one is called crocodile. Crocodile is 鳄鱼. Is sound like number 2, remember? So this is not E, okay? This is okay? This the even though the pinyin look like E, but it's not E, okay? It's 鳄鱼 is mean crocodile, okay? The next thing is called otters. What is otter? 水獭, okay? 水獭 is otter. See that? 水獭 is otter. Aren't they cute? Huh? See that? So cute, otter. So 水獭. Yeah, of course, the alligator or crocodile, look at that mouth, gonna eat you up. Okay. Now, this is 海鸥. Hai is mean sea, okay? That's why I call seagull. 海鸥, like oh, okay? Remember? 海鸥. So this is seagull, so you can remember that. Now the next one we call the same one sea lion, 狮, 海狮. Remember lion by itself called 狮子? Remember? If the second book I taught you is 狮子 is lion. So sea lion is called 海狮, okay? The next one, the last one we call 海豚, okay? 海豚 is mean dolphin. See, so cute dolphin. Now we're gonna review this. I hope you guys haven't remember all this. Please go back to your book and then remember that, okay? See, 蜂鸟, remember? All right, and then 啄木鸟. Now 鸡嘴鸟, okay? And 鸽子. And 红雀, 孔雀, 老鹰, 兔鸠, 猫头鹰, 乌鸦 and 乌龟, beautiful tortoise, and see this cute frogs, 青蛙, fish, 鱼, and 金鱼, and shark we call 鲨鱼, and then crocodile we call 鳄鱼, and 水獭, and 海鸥, and 海狮, and 海豚, okay? So these are the book 3. I hope you guys already mastered it, okay? And so this is the last review for this. I love you, you know, 我爱你，谢谢 再见，你好吗 ？Okay. If you can, by the time you read into book 3, you already knew all this. Okay, this should be already done that. Okay, so as I say, if you need to practice, this is the book. You can get it in Amazon. Okay, this is the book. So all the animal in here, all right, all the animal you can practice. See, you can see eagle. Okay, how do you say eagle? Lao Ying, and then you can color is the last thing, but you have to trace. Okay, trace. They teach you step by step how to trace, how to write first. You can trace all this character by following the step by step. Okay, and then after that, okay, that's Ying is the eagle. So after that, you can write it on your own. All this. You have to write it all on your own, okay? So when the kids finish this, then you can reward them with the coloring, okay? So that's all. Every page has a coloring page to reward the kids, okay? Even color, they have the character to remind them. So I guess this is it for today. And if you enjoy the lessons, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share around. I'll see you next time again. Bye bye now.